Sup dudes, it's another lovely morning. I've been spending way too much time in front of the computer, haven't even shaved. I don't know what to eat for breakfast, so I'm just gonna have a smoothie. I'm trying to be more American. I'm gonna start with a smoothie, right? Is that what people eat? I mean, it's not an acai bowl, but we all know I can't afford that. Right now, we are waiting for Larry to come in. I don't know when he's coming. Hope he calls first. Yeah, I'm just walking around my house in a circle. I think we're gonna go for a skate first. Maybe go to the beach. I surfed yesterday. It was terrible. Terrible. One thing that I'm noticing here is that some days the water will be super blue, everything will be super nice, and then the next day it can be completely different. Water yesterday, the water was like brown. Water that you would see in a river or something. I wasn't really liking that. I think that's kind of depressing. That would be a little pessimistic view of mine, but so I'm getting used to that again. I'm gonna go skate first, and then maybe if it looks like it's gonna be good, I'll go surf for a little bit, but not sure about that. We might be taking a break for a day from surfing. My shoulders are extremely sore. What else has happened? I saw a dead bat yesterday, like down in between Bridge and Cartier, so if you're over there, watch out. Let's get shaken. And let's go to the skate park. Just for the record, shakes are not real food. And it is not a real breakfast. Alright, let's go to the park.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I'm back from the park. Now I'm gonna head to the beach, just enjoy my little Labor Day weekend. I don't even think there's waves, but I'm gonna bring some kind of board. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna body surf. Let's get out there.
So this is salt and vinegar kettle.
Oh, well, those are the only chips that I like. You probably should. I won't eat a lot of them. I'm not crazy about chips, even those. That's a sandwich. There was a little plot twist. The weather looked like it was turning, so I ended up not going down to the beach. Skated for a little bit. I was pretty skated out. I haven't skated like that for a while, so I was over there. I was like kind of tired, and then it started raining, and then I was like, oh my god, what do I do? So I went to High, got some pork rinds, pork cracklings, so I could get some plastic bags. And so I got 2 plastic bags, just put them on my board, and that was it. Oh, I don't know if this is because of Larry or what it's because of, but yeah, looks like some kind of storm front is moving in. Yeah, so follow me. The vlog is not over yet. We're gonna continue it when I do the next fun thing that I'm gonna do. Let's go on to the next scene. All right, what is up, everybody? It is the day after Labor Day today, and I'm just getting everything ready for Larry. Larry. If you haven't been following it, Larry is the next hurricane that is coming up on the East Coast. We're supposed to get a good run of swell. So I had bought an SD card for my phone because I film a lot and I don't have a lot of storage, and I use up storage pretty quickly. Turns out that it's not compatible with my phone. It's not reading, for whatever reason, I'm not sure. When I was in Taiwan, everything seemed to be kind of compatible with everything else, so I'm just learning as I go along that a lot of things are not compatible here. So, anyway, I'm going to finish out this vlog, which I believe is vlog 4. Finish this out. We'll do like maybe something, one more thing that's fun, as long as I have about 20 more minutes left of memory on my phone to film with. So, we're going to do something fun today, chill out. I don't know what exactly it's going to be. And then we're gonna go. The waves are not big today. Probably gonna go skate for a little bit today, and then this is just gonna be kind of a full-on skate vlog. Trying to bring my cardio up, which is one of my biggest problems. Just I need the cardio for the paddling and stuff. But before we do any of that, I think I should stretch. I've been trying to stretch more, so I'm gonna force myself to stretch now. Let's go stretch. Alright, let's go check out the beach. I decided it's way too nice outside to not go to the beach. So let's go check it out. Down to the beach. I have like 1 minute of film left. My phone is almost out of storage. Like and subscribe. Larry vlog is probably going to be coming out sometime next week, and that's it. I'm out of storage, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
Chickadee Maine, aka Deboo, with a quick video update. This Larry swell is approaching.
If you were in the right spot, that clear, calm center for 6 hours. Clear, calm center.
It's strengthening pretty much ever since. It's strengthening pretty much ever since. It's strengthening pretty much ever since.
Clear, calm center.
Category 3. It's strengthening pretty much ever since.
Stop blowing up hot secret spots. Surface lining from all over the world. So JB was going to be here. What will Larry do? It's Larry.